Namaste. Welcome to the WeSkill YouTube class. My name is Bhoomika and I am the WeSkill instructor. Do you know why I am here? I am here to teach you some basics of the Kathak. What is Kathak? Have you heard about Kathak? Let me tell you that what Kathak is. Kathak is basically an Indian classical dance form. Do you know the meaning of the Kathak? Let me tell you. The meaning of the Kathak is storytelling. When we use the expression, the facial expressions, the hand movements and the footwork to depict some story, then that is the Kathak. Isn't it exciting that we use the dance moves to depict a story? So, in this class, I would be teaching you the Bhoomipranam. The Bhoomipranam which we do in the starting and at the end of the performance or riyas. The Bhoomipranam, or you can say the Namaskar, is to give greetings to everyone who is supporting the dance, like the audience, the god, the earth, and our elders. How we will do the Bhoomipranam? We will do the Bhoomipranam in the 16 counts using the 3 mudras only. The first is this. Let me show you this. This is the Aral Mudra. We call it as Aral Mudra. The second is this. This is the Pataka Mudra. Don't call it as the firecracker Pataka. It's the Pataka. Okay, now the third. This is called the Anjali Mudra. Now, how we have to do the Bhoomipranam? Make Aral from both your hands. Put it here in front of your chest and your legs should be straight. Ankles should be joined together and toes apart, making a V shape. Now, in the first count, you have to open the hands in Pataka Mudra like this. 1. Correct. Very good. So now let's do it once more. 1. Very good. Now they will move together. 2, 3 and 4. We have to look towards the right hand of us. Let me tell you why we have to look towards the right hand. So we are depicting the surroundings using the hand movement and we are looking towards the right just because at the right the musicians are there. We are giving respect to the musicians, and then in the 5, 6 we will do like this. The straight in the Pataka Mudra, the left hand is straight towards the left corner and right hand following the left hand. 5, 6. We are taking the blessings of the Almighty God. Now we will bend down in the same position of the hands, and then the knees we will touch to the ground and hands will touch the ground and we will bow to the earth. Now we are going to the earth. Now we will do the Namaskar, taking all the energy together, and then we will stand up slowly in the 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. We are back in the first position. And then we will tap the right leg. 1. So we are entering in that aura of the dance. We are ready to dance. So we are doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16,